Howdy folks, welcome back to my shorts. Appreciate all you. Please subscribe. Let's get it up there. I really do appreciate it, each and every one of you. I really do. Please like them too. Appreciate that as well. So anyways, we're working on this RAV4 and we got some exhaust issues. So its exhaust is broke off the muffler right there. And as you can see, this exhaust pipe's all rotted out. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to cut it right there. And we're gonna have to cut it back here. And then we're gonna have to put a whole new section of pipe in here. And basically go over the vehicle. I noticed that it's gonna need some front rotors. The pads are okay, but technically you should probably change the pads with the rotors. It's a no-brainer. So, all right, guys.